Got a couple Sigma air conditioners, mini splits. Turkey. I have to try and get data shot on this. Probably not really good data off of this one. It's still caged up. This one, alright. Here's the data sheet. It's from 2019. Shot the serial number.